This is NDTV and you are watching NDTV Prime.
Welcome back to India's Small Giant Season 2, powered by Vodafone Business Services in association with Standard Chartered Bank. Every great success starts with a dream. If you can dream it, you can do it. Let's watch how the Kelkars of Grindmaster from Aurangabad made their dreams come alive.
-1 is equal to 0 was a term coined basically to counter the whole concept of chalta hai. We started way back in 1984 as a very small company with an ambition to become a leading manufacturer of finishing machines. We started with a very small investment. Our full investment in land, building, plant, machinery in 1984 was 1,75,000, and all we had was about 25 or 30,000 rupees in our bank account. The objective was to start building machines which were hitherto not being built in the country and usher a new technology which will help our customers to improve their quality as well as productivity. Thus, the very foundation of the company relied on innovation.
The entrepreneur couple, Mrs. Mohini Kelkar and Milan Kelkar, production engineers, began developing indigenous metal finishing machines from a rented garage. Their passion for machine building, reinforced by their Cannonville motto, resulted in the birth of a company based on innovation and efficiency in engineering.
We were thinking about starting our own unit in 1984. We wanted to do something different. We were looking for some product which will be unique and which will have our identity. So during that time, we got an opportunity to develop the first cookware polishing machine for Nirlep. And that made us think that this can be a good opportunity for us, and we went on developing the machines related to buffing, polishing. Subsequently, we entered into the allied industries.
Starting with just one individual as manpower, to today having over 250 employees, has sold more than 4,000 machines.
The uniqueness about our products and Grindmaster is truly a complete solution that we offer. We are absolutely committed to provide complete solution to the customer, which comprises of the machines, the tool and the process. And I think this approach makes us quite different than our other competitors worldwide.
Grindmaster is catering to the needs of customers from all across the world, such as OEMs like General Motors, Tata, Mahindra, Ashok Leyland, and is exporting to whole southeastern region, including Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, Singapore, along with UK, USA, Mexico, South Korea, and China.
Our factory members are like our family, and it is nice to nurture and grow the family to this extent. I'm extremely happy, and I think Samir, my son, joining our business has really added a wonderful dimension and the growth opportunities to this whole Grindmaster family.
The vision of the organization has always been to grow in terms of technology and innovation. The Kelkars are proud in announcing they're exporting about 70% of their production across the globe.
I would like to lead this company to being a global company and a more professionally managed company. 4 or 5 years from now, I would like to grow many of the verticals and build wider and wider range of machines. That's what we like to do most. We like to build machines. I would only say that have a conviction in what you believe, do what you like. This is the best time in our history for startups. For those who are thinking of starting up a company right now in the next year or 2 years, this is the best opportunity that you have.
There have been several clashes, and I hope they continue to happen. Because you see, even when you disagree with something, till the time we keep the disagreement with the thing and not with the person, we are perfectly fine with it. And I think we learned this pretty early in our careers, and I believe that we are also teaching this to our people, always to separate issues from the person, and then clashes are welcome.
For over 25 years, Grindmaster Machine has constantly pushed boundaries of ideas and technology and found joy in the exceeding expectation with their systems.
Ambition can fuel an entrepreneur's success. Let us see how Ashish Seth of Sarjak Containers used his ambition to fuel his success.
Sarjak Container Lines, established in the year 2003, is living up to its corporate promise of beyond dimensions for many years.
The game started in 2004, where we initiated the first shipment on a flat track container carrying a cargo of 38 tons from Nhava Sheva to Jebel Ali, and that is where the ball started rolling.
Vision to become a market leader with a global presence in ODC and OOG segment. Dedication towards customer satisfaction and timely delivery has strongly encouraged and recommended Sarjak to venture into new global regions and offer their unique services across the globe.
We started converting a lot of such small parcels which could be carried on containers onto our special equipments and moving it across the globe.
With an initial investment of a mere 5 flat tracks in 2005 to operating a robust fleet of 6,600 plus special equipments as on today, Sarjak has quickly established itself as a serious entity.
The uniqueness is about the understanding of the subject. The product what we carry are not off the shelf, they are made to order. They are separate for a separate project and are different in nature at every given point of time. As it is said that necessity is the mother of all invention, and over the years our experience necessitated us to create something unique, create something different which is not available in the market, and stand apart from the competition. The major achievement for him in the service industry and a service sector is the satisfaction of the customer. We have not only received calls with regards to satisfaction, but the number of trophies and awards which we've been receiving over the last 10 years stands a testimony to the commitment what we make and the commitment of delivery which we perform and attain.
Sarjak's agency network started off with only 3 agents in 2005, and within a short span of only 8 years, Sarjak has a footprint across the globe, partnering with an agency network in excess of 85 agents.
The vision of the company is to be a global player in the carriage of oversized cargo and ensure that every nook and corner of the world is there as a part. It was during 2004 when I went to purchase some containers and I did not have the funds. I thought of leasing them. But unfortunately, the leasing company wanted me to give 110% bank guarantee of the value of the containers. If I have to give 110% bank guarantee, I might as well spend 100% and buy the containers of my own. And that gave me a cue not to go to the bankers, not to go to any investor, but stand on my own feet. And gradually, whatever money which I had made for my savings, I started using them up because I had faith in my business, in my idea. And today, the same leasing companies are coming to our doorstep and ready to give us a long period credit.
Team Sarjak is on its path to the future with the mission to be a well-defined, global and value-driven ODC/OOG business enterprise that consistently redefines and transcends service, solution, relationship benchmarks by thinking and performing beyond dimensions.
The success mantra is all about believing in your own self. If you don't believe in your own self and if you do not have faith in your own self, you will never succeed. So for any individual to succeed in life, he should first have the faith in his own belief, and this belief will make him cross mountains any given point of time.
A good captain needs a great team. A great team comprises of the best players. If you want to win the game, get the best. While you are at it, we'll just take a small break and see you on the other side with more stories.
मैं छोटा था तो बहुत बातूनी था। बाहर से पढ़ के आया तो और भी ज़्यादा बोलने लगा। लगता था दुनिया का सारा ज्ञान मेरे ही पास है। मेरे पिता श्री महेश गुप्ता, जिस दिन मैंने उनका चाय का बिजनेस संभाला, उन्होंने मुझे बुलाकर कहा, गौरव, बोलते तो सब हैं, सुनना सीखो। बस उस दिन से मैंने सुनना शुरू किया। चाय की सुनी, उसके चाहने वालों की सुनी, जिसमें वो रहती है उस प्याले की सुनी, चाय की पत्तियाँ वो आपस में क्या बात करती हैं उसे सुना, बदलते वक्त को सुना। पिताजी ने कहा था सुनो, मैंने सुना। आज मैं बोल रहा हूँ और कामयाबी सुन रही है।
Focused on your career, you need trusted financial guidance for everything else that's important in your life. One bank is here for you. Standard Chartered, here for good.
Welcome back to India's Small Giants Season 2, powered by Vodafone Business Services in association with Standard Chartered Bank. The business of business is risk. In every success story, there are some or the other courageous decisions that people take, and today's story of Altum Technologies aptly demonstrates that.
Altum has a wide clientele ranging from leading Indian and global companies across diverse segments as automobile, architecture, aerospace, defense, medical, consumer durables, electronics and academia.
Being a startup, and then we were working from a small setup wherein it was just a maybe probably 100 square feet room wherein we started working, and then looking at our structure or the office, no one was willing to join us. You know, hiring the people was a major challenge.
We were a startup without a balance sheet, and we borrowed money from our friends and family members, and then started a company. I mean, it was difficult to get the funding from the banks.
Currently, we are, after about 3.5 years, we're financially healthy, and close to about 5 years now, we are doing great in terms of expansion plans across India.
We started initially as a 3D printing company, and we always knew that, we need to provide solutions associated with 3D printing, and 3D design being primary solution around them, because any 3D printer would require designs in a 3D CAD format. So we tied up with Dassault Systems of France and started selling their CATIA and other suite of softwares.
Any customer who approaches Altum Technologies today can find the entire ecosystem of solutions encapsulated under one umbrella.
The company is headquartered in Bangalore and operates through their sales offices spread across the country in different parts such as Hyderabad, Chennai, Pune, Kolkata, Ahmedabad and New Delhi.
It's a center where any customer can walk in, have a look at the complete range of solutions including 3D printing, and can experience the output of the product, what they can visualize.
At Altum Technologies, we provide an entire ecosystem for our customers, wherein we handle every aspect of their design, right from the concept to manufacturability and beyond. So we offer the entire gamut of products which is required for any product development company or a new product design company.
We are also partnered with MSC Software, who are into virtual simulation and engineering prototyping applications. I'm very happy to say that Altum has been growing on an year-on-year basis consistently, and we have more or less crossed the CAGR of about 23%.
Altum believes in partnering with its customers for a vision of design right at first time. Altum offers 3D printing, 3D scanning, PLM solutions, training, and even customization based on the customer's needs.
Any entrepreneur in an organization need to have the vision. Vision is something which steers the entire organization towards the goals, and I would say that is the most prominent thing.
At Altum, we believe our success mantra has been not to give up under any circumstances the initial ideas or the passion that we came up with.
My advice to the young entrepreneurs is be very passionate about what you are doing. Bring in good resources into the organization so that you create a brand for yourself.
It is said that when an inner voice tells you that you are not a painter, the first thing that you need to do is get up, paint, and silence that inner voice. Similarly, in India, when somebody tells you you cannot be an entrepreneur because of some or the other reason, or the fact that your family is not an entrepreneurial family and all that, disregard. Please go out and set up your own company, your own business, or whatever else you might want to. We are now going to look at Ramani Ice Creams, which owns the brand Top in Tongue, and they have given tough competition to multinationals in India.
Starting from running a small mom-and-pop ice cream parlor to converting into a national brand, Ramani Group's brand Top in Tongue is India's very own ice cream brand, spreading smiles throughout the nation.
My journey started in 1970, जब मेरे ग्रैंडफादर श्री बालचंद कोकरेजा जी ने ये बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया था एज अ रिटेलर। जब मैंने दादाजी का बिजनेस ज्वाइन किया तो उस टाइम पे आइसक्रीम अच्छा सेल हो रहा था, लेकिन उस जितना आइसक्रीम की रिक्वायरमेंट थी उतना वो आगरा से आ नहीं पाता था। तो हम लोगों ने थॉट दिया कि क्यों नहीं हमें इसको यूनिट में कन्वर्ट करें। हमारे पास उतना फंड नहीं था जितना एक यूनिट लगाने के लिए रिक्वायरमेंट था। हमने फाइनेंशियल कॉर्पोरेशन को भी अप्रोच किया, लेकिन उन्होंने डिस्करेज किया। फिर हमने बैंक को अप्रोच किया, समहाउ बैंक से हमारा अंडरस्टैंडिंग हुआ, उन्होंने हमें सपोर्ट किया, हमें फंड्स रिलीज़ किए, लोन्स दिए। तो आज हमने एक स्मॉल यूनिट जिसकी कैपेसिटी करीब 25 to 30,000 लीटर्स पर डे की थी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग की प्रोसेस की, उसको हमने उस यूनिट को स्टार्ट किया इन नेम ऑफ टॉप इन टाउन। जो हमारी एक शॉप का नाम था उसको हमने ब्रांड में कन्वर्ट किया, और राइट फ्रॉम 88 to 92 हमने वो यूनिट वहीं पे चलाया, फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे शॉप के ऊपर। और एक क्योंकि हमने जो स्टार्ट किया तो हम राइट फर्स्ट डे से हमारे साथ प्रोफेशनल्स जुड़ गए थे, जो हमारे लिए एक अच्छा लक था। हम लोग भी नए थे इस लाइन में, तो हमने इंग्रेडिएंट्स पे ज़्यादा ध्यान दिया, हमने क्वालिटी पे ध्यान दिया। टॉप इन टाउन ने फर्स्ट डे से इतना अच्छा प्रोडक्ट बनाया, डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट बनाए, डिफरेंट उसकी फ्लेवर्स थे जो लोगों ने फर्स्ट डे से एक्सेप्ट किया, तो हमें बहुत जल्दी उसकी सक्सेस मिली। इट वॉज अ न्यू ब्रांड, स्लोली ग्रेजुअली लोग एक्सेप्ट कर रहे थे, लेकिन जो रिटेलर्स थे उनका कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड होने में थोड़ा टाइम लगा। तो फर्स्ट 6 मंथ तो हमने स्टार्ट अपनी शॉप से किया था, लेकिन आफ्टर 6 मंथ हमने 5-6 लोकेशंस पे अप्रोच किया कुछ रिटेलर्स को, जिन्होंने एग्री किया और उन्होंने हमारा ब्रांड स्टार्ट किया। इस तरीके से इसका स्प्रेड होना स्टार्ट हुआ था।
We source our raw material from different parts of the world, many of them from European market, so that we can give our customers very nice product. We have a centralized purchase team with us. They source the material based on the quality standards set by our quality assurance team.
Their brand Top in Town is the first in India to introduce the concept of ice cream parlours that started the tradition of serving ice cream in colourful, warm and cherry ambience.
Well, Top in Town as a brand endorses a philosophy of love yourselves. We truly believe when people love themselves, they celebrate the small joys that they have in life. So as far as marketing is concerned, we mainly invest in in-shop branding, point-of-sales promotions, and the main reason behind the strategy is convenience and impulse. We obviously look at social media, which is direct marketing at its best. We also invest in outdoor branding, which is the signages and billboards, because it increases the reach and frequency of our campaign.
डिफ़िकल्टीज पहले ऐसा कोल्ड चेन होती थी, अब वो टाइम चला गया। अब पावर का भी फैक्टर बहुत अच्छा है, पावर सब जगह है, रोड कंडीशन काफ़ी अच्छी है, कनेक्टिविटी बहुत अच्छी है। हैबिट्स चेंज हुई हैं, पहले आइसक्रीम सिर्फ सीजनल होती थी, अब वो सीजनल नहीं रही। अब लोग 12 महीने आइसक्रीम खाते हैं।
The brand offers a variety of flavors for the Indian taste, not to mention huge range of specialties like stick candies, bars, cups, cones and family pack bars in various shapes and sizes. Till 2000, the brand was mainly based in Madhya Pradesh and then started to move out, and today have touched 700 towns across 8 states, having a retail base of 20,000 retailers, 205 distributors and 600 exclusive parlors.
Well, for the coming years, we plan to invest a lot of money in rebranding Top in Town. We want to give it a new look and feel, and we hope a new identity is going to be up in January 2017. Our new brand is called Cremor. It's basically an ice cream bar that aims to create a new ice cream culture in town. Change the simply made industrial ice creams and reinvent the concept of homemade ice creams.
The vision of the group for Top in Town is to make it the first choice of customers and employees by setting high standards in taste, service, delivery and price.
We've come to the end of this week's episode, and we will see you next week, same time, same channel. Till then, this is Vinod Kumar signing off. Bye-bye.
चिन्तयन्तो ये जनाः पर्युपासते तेषां नित्याभियुक्तानां योगक्षेमं वहाम्यहम्।
आपकी सुरक्षा और समृद्धि है हमारी जिम्मेदारी।
Misery for farmers reigned in Uttar Pradesh. They were crushed under debt. Neither did they have land to till, nor any other arrangement. Under such conditions, the government led by Akhilesh Yadav brought the biggest relief for the farmers of the state. Farmers' debts are exempted, irrigation is free of cost.
अखिलेश जी के उसमें इन्होंने जैसा कर दिया, अपने गरीबों की मदद करी है, गरीब खुशहाल है। ऐसा नेता हर कोई बने।
Seeds and manure are at subsidized rates.
अखिलेश जी की सरकार ने अपने जो चुनाव के टाइम पर वादे किए थे वो सब पूरे किए हैं। हमें किसानों को नहरों का पानी फ्री मिल रहा।
The era of development begins in Uttar Pradesh.